भाजपा सांसद बैजयंत पांडा के नेतृत्व में भारतीय डेलीगेशन बहरीन पहुंचा, जहां प्रतिनिधिमंडल ने भारत का पक्ष रखा और पाकिस्तान समर्थित आतंकवाद की पोल खोल दी। इस दौरान असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने भी पाकिस्तान पर जमकर निशाना साधा। ओवैसी ने कहा कि आतंकवादी ग्रुप निर्दोष लोगों की हत्या करते हैं और उसे सही ठहराने के लिए धर्म का गलत इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
To different parts of the world, so that the world knows the threat which India has been facing from last so many years. And unfortunately, we have lost huge amount of human lives. Innocent people have been killed. And the fact of the matter is that this problem emanates from Pakistan only. Unless and until Pakistan stops promoting, aiding, sponsoring all these terrorist groups, this issue will not go away. And India has exercised utmost restraint in dealing with this problem. I don't want to reiterate what the head of my delegation, my honorable good friend Jay Panda, has said. But please understand that India has exercised utmost restraint. You know, even after the Pahalgam attack which took place, in which 26 tourists have lost their lives. And please, understand the enormity of this massacre which took place. A girl which got married 6 days ago, on the 7th day she becomes a widow. A girl which got married 2 months ago, she becomes a widow. India has all the wherewithal, and inshallah we have all the means to ensure the safety of not only the Indians, but anyone who lives in India. Because if you see on the 9th or 10th of May, when Pakistan unleashed whatever it had, no amount of damage happened in the mainland India. Yes, in the Poonch area, we know what has happened. But the air defense system, what has been said by the government in the media is that all our technology, all our warfare was able to stop whatever was thrown from a failed state like Pakistan. You're absolutely right, a bomb blast took place in Rameshwaram. Those culprits have been caught. And let me also remind you that the 26/11 incident which took place in Mumbai, Ajmal Kasab was caught. Ajmal Kasab was